First real thunderstorm of the year. This is pretty much the first like real big thunderstorm of the year. We've got little ones, but this one's pretty intense. There's some fun thunderstorms today.
Some thunder?
Did you say thunder?
Thunder, fun thunder, thunder!
I'm wondering how Braylee took the thunderstorms at school. Just raining now.
So, Braylee doesn't usually have an issue with thunderstorms. I don't know, we also haven't experienced one in a while, and her needs and sensory stuff is always changing, so there's a possibility, but I don't think that she'll have any issues with it right now. I will say that it is still really warm outside, so it is humid. It is really humid, and I am not a fan of the humidity at all.
Just got a letter from AAA.
AAA? We don't have AAA. So today's parent training is going to be about Greenspan Floortime Approach, which is something that they use at Braylee's day center. I don't think we really know anything about it. Chances are, though, we'll recognize it when we see it, and we just didn't know what that specific technique or whatever was called. We enjoy the parent trainings. They're always useful for kind of helping us understand ABA better and how to use it at home and addressing her behavior needs or just making her days and time at home more successful as well.
And we get to hang out with other autism parents too, which is that's always good, right? It
is always good, you know, to be in a room of people where everybody gets it. You don't have to explain anything.
Yeah.
It's always a good time.
But everybody's in the same
boat. We're in the same ocean, different boats.
Same ocean, different boats. That's pretty good.
Yeah.
Same ocean, different boats.
Although, since we're in Minnesota, it should be same lake, different boats.
Yeah, same.
Because there's 10,000 lakes.
Yeah.
We want to make sure we're in the same lake.
Yeah.
Oh
no.
No!
Like running out of gas.
We should get some after we get Braylee. It's kind of like that saying, "Not my monkeys, not my circus," or something.
Same lake, different boat. That can be life too. Like everybody's in the same lake, just different boats.
I don't know. Some people are in different boats.
Getting hit by bigger waves, and
you're going way too into this right now. Way too far. Reel it in. But yeah,
reel it in. That's also a
shut up.
A lake comment.
We're gonna go ahead and pick up Braylee. We usually grab something to eat since we return back so quickly for parent training, and then we stay there until just before bedtime. And she actually does really well leaving and coming back for parent training. You would think that transition would be hard and confusing, and we were worried about it when we very first started going to parent trainings, but she does really well. All right, we just picked up our girl. Braylee, can you wave? Braylee, look. Can you wave? Wave. That's a pretty smile. We saw that they had Ants Go Marching papers, and I asked if they did that today. They said it's from a few weeks ago, and that would explain why we didn't hear her sing Ants Go Marching for what, like a year or so? It's been a while, and then she's been singing it lately. You mostly will catch the hurrah, hurrah.
The ants go marching one by one, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching one by one, and then they dun hurrah, rah, 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 rah. You sing it, Braylee. Sing it.
She's probably a little bummed out today too that they didn't go outside because of the weather. She really enjoys her outside time and play. She looks sleepy. Braylee, are you hungry? Do you want to eat? Eat. Good job.
Hungry?
Hungry, Mama?
Bring away some food.
There we go, feed our bellies. Because
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah. The trainings usually last about 2 hours and they're right around dinner time, so we have to eat beforehand. And then right afterwards we get home and it's pretty much bedtime and time for David to start working, so we don't get a lot of time on these days. Braylee, did you find a hat? Yeah? You're so cute in your twins hat. She's really into hats right now. What are you looking for? Do you want your baseball helmet? She always likes to put headphones over her hats. It's not even loud in here. I think she just likes the pressure from her headphones sometimes. Yeah! Braylee, do it.
Shoulders! Parent training's done, and it was a fun one.
It was definitely one of the harder ones that we've done.
Yeah, we did the green floor thing. What's it called? Green floor technique?
I said it earlier.
Green thumb technique?
No, it's not the green. I think it's green time floor.
Green time floor?
I don't know.
Which is, it's pretty much, it's play at the level of...
Greenspan Floortime Approach. We were both really wrong.
Greenspan Floortime Approach. It's pretty much just playing with Braylee at her level. Like, getting
down where she's at. Child-led.
Yeah, it's Braylee-led.
So we're following...
It's fun.
Yeah, we'll follow what she wants to do and then expand and challenge her a little bit.
Yeah, we just don't do very good when we're put on the spot, apparently.
Guys, so we YouTube. And we create videos several times a week, every week. But for some reason, when somebody else brings out their own camera or device to record, which they did because I volunteered us because I thought we would be comfortable with it, I was so wrong. And we tanked. So it was a learning experience for everyone, and it's a little frustrating because I know that we play with Braylee that way at home generally. Mm-hmm. And I know that we can do that, but for some reason we just like clam up when somebody else brings out a camera.
Yeah.
So
it was just really awkward.
It was. We're awkward people. It's just what we do by nature. So we'll get better at it and we'll keep practicing too.
Yeah. The Greenspan Thumb Report.
No.
What is it?
The Greenspan Floor Approach.
Greenspan Store.
What?
The Greenspan Store Report. Reproach. What is it?
Greenspan Floortime Approach.
Greenspan Floortime Approach. Greenspan Floortime Approach.
When you edit this, you should put a cheering in when you get it right. That would be funny.
So, that's it for today.